Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. And today I got some sauce and I'm gonna keep y'all from looking lost. Y'all already got the subscription. Go ahead, continue to subscribe. If you don't, push it out there. Algorithms is key, y'all. First time, welcome. We about to get this train going, and I'm the conductor. I got the dark versus light, yin versus yang. Which one are y'all taking? Bread versus the old school. That's right, we got the Jordan 2. I'm gonna talk about this shoe because I think that people don't give it the appreciation it deserves. OG sneakerhead collectors love the Jordan 2. It was the actual shoe that bounced right off of the number 1. When Jordan had Tinker Hatfield come around, he changed the game for him and made him this type of silhouette to bounce back. This was right here, a shoe that he actually had sustained an injury in. And then if they didn't come out with the Jordan 3, the Jordan brand would actually sink. So this was a precursor for all the Jordan shoes to release. The upper had a different type of style and design. They gave it more ankle support. And actually from the Jordan 1 to the Jordan 2, you actually see that they have the air unit that's actually built in. Yes, that's right. It has an actual air unit inside of the actual midsole that gave it more support. And when he did torque cuts and all of those different moves while he was out there on the court, this shoe was able to sustain it a lot better than the Jordan 1. Now, if you look at these two Jordans, they're the same shoe, just a different colorway. This is the bread color blocking. This is the OG Chicago. Look at it. They're amazing. I don't know which one is better. You have your classic wing Air Jordan logo with the Nike hints on the back. Man, it's pretty much the same. Give you that snake skin going across the midsole, and the leather is supreme. So I'm gonna ask y'all, which one? You going with the dark side or the light side? It feels like you're in the Matrix, blue pill, red pill. But you can't go wrong with neither one. You even get the sizing still underneath these shoes. That's how old school these are. The second pair of Jordans. So, which one y'all taking? It even gives you the old school Jordan Nike Air wings. That's right, on the box. They're the same style, same thing. Get your wings on the side. So, Al Wu with the shoe. You already know what to do. If this was your first time, hit that subscription button. Please play with the algorithm. And for my A1 Day ones, meet me around 10. Yada mean. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.